Hello and a warm welcome to the vlog. So today I'm going to be starting the vlog with some packing. So we have a major problem here, guys. I do not have space in my luggage because I am packing way too many clothes and footwear. So I'm trying to go bargain with each of my family members to beg them to put some of my shoes into their bags. And to be honest, that didn't quite work out very well. My mom rejected me outright because she's like dressing up a lot for this trip apparently. And my dad, dads, he was like, yeah, cool. And I had to bargain with my sister. Also, my parents went for a wedding, so she wore the sari, and I was like, do you want me to put a clip on YouTube? And she was like, yeah, sure. Also, this is gonna be our sole savior in Australia. There are no sprays in the washrooms there. After which, my sister got me some nachos, dip, protein bars, my favorite snacks. She just knows them. And we had them together. And between all the packing, I almost forgot to carry my roll-on. I really recommend this. It's 99 rupees and it's nice because you don't get it all over your hands and eyes, and oh my god, that's so scary. It's a roll-on, so it's quite convenient too. After that, I packed some makeup too. It's not like I'm going to be using them, but I anyway had to clean it up and like distinguish between the new and the old ones because some were really old and I had to discard them. So yeah, here's a little footage of that. After which we decided to take some toiletries, towels, tissues. So this is a brand we have recently started using. We recommend this because one, it's affordable, two, it's so very accessible, and three, and the most important one, sounds cliche but it's good for the environment. The normal tissues are usually bleached, and when they enter the ecosystem, that's really bad. And these are bamboo tissues and it's biodegradable and it's good for the environment. Also, I carry this travel pack wherever I go. So when I use Google Pay, I got a coupon and three of these things for 99 rupees. And I also got some toothbrushes and shaving kits from hotels, which I just keep with me just in case. After that, yeah, the shoes I got rejected. Then after having some coffee, I decided to carry this travel organizer, and trust me, that is such a lifesaver. I do not know why there's another clip of the nachos. I guess I wasn't satisfied with the previous one, so here you go. And yeah, after that I decided to have some, what was this? Oh yeah, this was some amla tulsi honey tea. And after that, I decided to ask my mom to make me some chai because no chai is better than mom's chai. The usual one. I don't get people who drink masala chai and all that. But anyways, after that we had some avocados and I had some leftover chocolates which my friend had gotten all the way from Qatar for me, which my mom almost stole. It was a chocolate covered dates with an almond inside. Like wow, wow. I don't know how this manufactured, like how they put the almond in there in the first place, but anyways, that's a mystery to solve for later. This is a holographic pouch which I wanted so much as a kid, and once when I entered Zudio, I saw it there and I was like, this is mine. It was for 99 rupees and I think that was a good price, and it is of a good quality too. Oh my god, what's my English? After that, I decided to drink some lemon honey tea because if you had noticed in my previous Australian travel packing videos, I have been sneezing like crazy, and my dad was like, this is good for you, have it, have it, have it, and he did not leave me until I had it. And yeah, it did make things a little better, I guess, but the main thing is to wear socks and not touch the tiles with my bare foot and keep myself warm. And yeah, I do a little very excited get ready with me. This is what I wore to office, and I think that's pretty nice, classy, chic. Looks like I just walk to London every day under the London Bridge, the London Tower, you get it. Anyways, after that I take a stroll in the office and I swing for a while, and I send these clips to my sister to be like, look at me working in my office. And she's like jealous. I know this looks like a play school, but this is a place where people get their kids when they work, which I sneak into. And here's a very shaky video of the surroundings. I tried, guys. I was swinging. What did you expect? And there are a lot of birds there. Tried to get that too, but failed. Anyways, after that, here's some really nice montage of the trees. Yeah. And after that, yes, again, Google Photos bombed me with memories. This was when we went to Mantralaya in Andhra Pradesh. And I can't believe that this was 1 year back. And I was like, wow. And I kind of liked the photos I took there. Like, how my photography has evolved. Oh no. Also, there is this clip of me. This was me back in my 9th grade. And this is my first time on a skateboard. And I thought I could go down that rink, and that's the footage of me. I was properly injured for like a month or so. My back was gone. And here's a clip from an office. Shoot, so guys, my friends decide to get me some cake, okay, a cheesecake. And I was like, I have a meeting. And then the meeting got cancelled. So I was like, okay, you can get it now. And we have ordered it. But guess what? My manager decided to keep the meeting. So it's 23 right now. I have to go to the meeting by 30. Oh my god. This is so stressful. And I have recently changed my office building, as you guys know. And so the places where deliveries come used to be close to the first building. So it's even farther. It's a whole 15-minute walk. And I was also on Teams at that time. So I told sure. And that's when I realized, okay, wait, I have a delivery coming. So if I get late, I can't even be like I was out to eat because I replied. By the way, look at the church. My god, it's decorated so pretty for Christmas. Oh, we don't have time for that. Okay, bye. Bye.